Welcome to the Steuben County Trails. My name is John Longenecker and I'm the chairman of the Steuben County Trails Association. Our trails are easily accessible and many places to park. You can unload your animals to walk them. You can find many things along the trail and we want you to get out and use it.
Hi, my name's Jack Verana. I am on the Steuben County Trails Board and I've been a member of this community for 40 plus years. The trail adds a great dimension to what we're able to do.
Along the trail, starting inside the city limits, you can find the parks there. You can find business locations. You can find, as you go north, you'll find many places to reward yourself. Once you finish there, you can go on and take the trail on down and reach Pokagon State Park, a great crowning point of Steuben County.
My wife and I are on the trail almost every morning walking. We see all kinds of people walking dogs, jogging, biking, families. It's just friendly for anybody. Just a wonderful resource to have in our community.